Hey, welcome back to another Ascent Gaming video. Today, we got a RK Royal Kludge rk60 review on very nice mechanical keyboard you can pick up for about 60 bucks on Amazon. So let's get into it. So, it's very well packaged actually. I've already taken a look at it and it's a beautiful keyboard. So, let me just get this out real quick. Here it is, the RK Royal Kludge. This thing is a beaut. It matches my whole setup very nice with the black and blue theme. So let's get this set up and see how it looks. And before that, let's take a look at what it comes with. We got this cable. We got a USB-C that can also go to a USB-A that plugs into your PC, and then a USB-C for the keyboard here, because you got a USB and two USB-Cs on the keyboard. You also got this 2.4 gigahertz for wireless connection, and I think it also does have Bluetooth. It comes with a couple of these switches that are in it. These ones sound pretty good. They're actually, I think, a little quieter than red switches, but they a lot more like sleek, and they just feel really nice. They come with a handful of them. It looks like 4 of them of these. And it comes with a keycap remover, so you can remove all the keys. I'm not going to do this with one hand. I do not need to break this keyboard, so get it on there, and you can pop it off. They come off really easily. That gives you really easy access to your switches, so if you want to change them up, like I'm going to be doing, I'm going to get blue ones for this. So let's plug it in and see how she looks. Okay, here it is. I'm just running the blue because it matches my theme, but you can change the colors very easily. So FN in this, I think, is how you change the actual colors. And then FN and that is how you change the RGB mode. Very easy and very nice. So let's do a sound test. You can hear that, hopefully you can. See if I zoom in then. It actually sounds really good, and this feels very good too. Now, if you're wondering why I zoom in, is when I zoom in, it records its sound in that area a lot better. But it sounds really good, so let's load up a game and see how I like it in games. Okay, so here we have, I'm gonna jump into some Minecraft. See how she does. If it would load faster. Come on. See how Minecraft feels on this keyboard. I'm going from a memory keyboard, which was horrendous. Whatever. And so this is definitely an upgrade for me. Let's see. I've used a lot of other keyboards and I've used custom keyboards and stuff. And honestly, for $60, I don't think you're going to get anything better than this. It comes in other colors, not just this blue. And got the changeable RGB, and it just looks really good. Really easy. I'm going to throw in blue switches and do a video on changing all these to blue. So subscribe and like for that, because that'll be real nice to see how the change in sound, because I want like really tacky, loud ones. Here we are in Minecraft, and you're wondering why does it look like Minecraft? It's just because I got ray tracing on. But if you want to learn more about the ray tracing, I got 2 videos on it now. One on how to get ray tracing, and another on just running ray tracing off an R card. Alright, so Minecraft isn't the best test ever, but it feels nice. There's just so much more action in these keys. They sound really nice too. Like, they're not insanely loud, but you can still hear them. And they feel really good too. very smooth keys, which is what I think these keys are for, is to just be really smooth. And they definitely nailed it with that. So yeah, it's fine for Minecraft. What I like about this is you got 3 different modes. You got your wired mode, which is what I'm running right now, which is I'm just running USB-C to USB-C because it is the fastest. You got your 2.4 gigahertz wireless mode and your Bluetooth. I haven't tested out the Bluetooth yet, but the 2.4 gigahertz is really nice. One note is I would not try and use the 2.4 gigahertz right when you get it because it's not charged and you're going to run into problems like I did. But just throw it on with the USB cable, charge it up, play some of it while it's charging, and then when it's done you can go to wireless and it'll be really nice. But if you try to play wireless right when you get it, it's not going to be good because it's going to be on low battery. So I would recommend charging it first. But yeah, so it's a really nice keyboard. I don't think you're getting anything better for the price point. It looks really good. It feels really good. This one's a 60% keyboard. It's like, it's not insane, like too heavy, but it feels quality. Like it's actually like it is made out of plastic, but it's like a high quality, like strong plastic. It's not like flimsy, and like if you try and bend it, there's no bend. Like it's built really well, and the keys sound and feel amazing on it. So I would recommend picking this keyboard up 100%. It is really nice. We are back, and yeah, I would highly recommend getting this keyboard. It sounds and feels amazing. It looks amazing. It's good quality, and you got those 3 different modes, which is really nice. It's responsive. It is just a good keyboard. So yeah, for $60, I would say definitely pick this up, and I think it's better than anything else you're getting at $60. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.